Welcome to Sawdust and Wood. I build a lot of tables, and clamps are pretty expensive to clamp tabletops, especially if you're getting like a 4-foot clamp. So today, I'm gonna show you what I did to save some money, and I built my own clamp out of 1/2-inch galvanized pipe. You can build any size clamp you want. I just bought 5-foot pieces of pipe, but you can buy as small or large as pipe as you want, and those clamps will fit on any size pipe that you buy. Here's a picture of my clamp I built. I got 1/2-inch galvanized pipe. I bought 5 foot of it so I can clamp a little bit under 5 foot anything I want to. And this is what you got to buy, and it comes with 2 pieces. Comes with this piece and this piece, and this was $9.98. And the 1/2-inch pipe, 5-foot piece of it, was like $14 and some change. So for roughly $25, I built a clamp bigger than this $50 clamp at Lowe's. Alright, so I got my 5-foot piece of pipe, which was like $14. And I got my 2 clamps, 1/2-inch pipe clamps. So take this piece and put it on first. You just depress right here and it'll slide right over the pipe. Then you take this piece and you depress it here, slide it on, slide it just like this. Then you can just tighten down your work. And this is how you build 5-foot pipe clamp for wood for 25 bucks. If I'd have bought the one from Lowe's that was only 4 foot, it would have cost me $50. Thanks for watching. This is just a quick video for today. I just want to share this with everybody in case you didn't know. Please like, subscribe, share this video. Thanks for watching.